Welcome to the kitchen, folks. Today, my lovely wife, Grandma, is going to share her special recipe for a refreshing and delicious fruit salad bowl. This recipe has been in our family for generations, and it's always a hit at our potlucks and family gatherings. So gather around and let's watch Grandma work her magic.
Thank you, Grandpa. Well, folks, as Grandpa mentioned, this fruit salad is a family favorite. It's light, refreshing, and packed with all sorts of healthy goodness. And the best part is, it's so easy to make.
That's right, folks. Grandma makes it look so simple, but I can tell you, it takes a lot of love and care to create this perfect balance of flavors and textures.
Oh, Grandpa, you're always flattering me, but I do enjoy making this fruit salad for our family. It's a way to show them how much I care about their health and well-being.
And that's what makes this recipe truly special. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about the love and care that goes into making it. Well, I hope you all enjoy this recipe as much as we do. And remember, the most important ingredient in any dish is love. Ever pondered the art of crafting the perfect fruit salad? Well, wonder no more. First and foremost, let's ensure we have all our ingredients at hand. We're going to need some orange juice, lemon juice, guava, pineapple, yellow dragon fruit, apples, grapes, strawberries and bananas. Not to forget the tools of the trade, a large bowl, a cutting board and a sharp knife. Now we start the magic. Pour the orange juice and lemon juice into a large mixing bowl and whisk them together until they blend into a harmonious mix. Next, we dive into the heart of our salad, the fruits. Each fruit needs to be washed and dried thoroughly. Once that's done, it's time for some precision cutting. Peel and dice the guava, pineapple, dragon fruit and apples into medium-sized pieces. Cut the grapes in half and slice the strawberries into thin slices. Just before the grand assembly, cut the bananas into your preferred size and toss them with a hint of lemon juice to keep them fresh and vibrant. Now for the pièce de résistance. Gently add all the prepared fruits to the bowl with the mixed juices. With a gentle hand and a spatula, or even your hands if you prefer, carefully toss the fruits until they are all evenly coated in the juices. Remember, we want to avoid crushing the fruits, so gentleness is key. We've now walked through the steps of creating a delectable fruit salad, but remember, this is your creation. Feel free to add a personal touch. Add bananas right before serving to maintain their firmness. After slicing them, you can pour a little lemon juice on them to prevent discoloration. Cut your fruits into medium-sized pieces for optimal flavor and texture. Remember, you can store your fruit salad in the fridge for up to 3 days in a tightly sealed container. Most importantly, have fun with this. Personalize your fruit salad with your favorite fruits, a drizzle of honey, or even dollops of whipped cream or ricotta cheese. There's no limit to your creativity. Now go forth and create your perfect fruit salad.